The world is changing fast. Technology and communications enable faster, easier connections through a variety of channels. The decades-old child sponsorship experience is no longer suited to meet the expectations of today's supporters, who want to hear, feel, and see more about how their support contributes to children's well-being. To meet the demands of a fast-paced landscape, World Vision is exploring new ways of working that will bring significant change to the lives of children and meaningfully engage our sponsors. To achieve this, the Sponsorship Transformation Program is revitalizing child sponsorship for a new generation of children and supporters, their families, and communities, as well as our staff and volunteers. Sponsorship transformation is about moving from a basic to an enriched sponsorship experience, excellence in our engagement with children and sponsors, performance quality for our programs, strong staff capacity, reducing the workload of frontline staff so their efforts can be redirected towards child well-being related activities and outcomes, urgency in streamlining and simplification of our sponsorship processes. The Sponsorship Transformation Program has 3 work streams to make child sponsorship more engaging, more effective, and more efficient. Each work stream is working collectively with all offices across the partnership to transform child sponsorship. Over time, we are streamlining business processes and reducing staff workload, enabling that some of their time can be reallocated to new projects and contributing to the revitalized sponsorship that is the primary objective of the efficiency workstream. Through this workstream, we improve staff experience, replace old systems in the field, and reduce redundant work processes. Make our work easy, simple, fast and reliable. Phase processes efficiencies end-to-end. 2 efficiency workstream efforts have already saved staff time and lightened workload: the Quick Step form scanners, and the revised child registration and child monitoring forms. World Vision Kenya has experienced data entry time saving of more than 60% when using Quick Step form scanners. Their manual data entry used to take 3 weeks, but with the form scanners, they have uploaded the forms to STEP in 4 days. All ADPs in Kenya are now using Quick Step form scanners. With results like this, just imagine the streamlined work for field operations across the partnership. Another project is the simplification of the forms used to register and monitor children. The forms are now shorter, it takes less time to collect, there are fewer pages to carry, and the data gathered is quicker to enter in STEP. There will also be a 50% decrease in the use of paper. A major way we're simplifying process and reducing workload is through SingleSTEP. For the first time, sponsorship data, photos and videos will exist in one place. The 6 disconnected sponsorship operations technology platforms will be replaced with one web-based interface, user-friendly platform called SingleSTEP. Currently, the existing systems are built on Disk Operating System and Lotus Notes, which are inefficient based on today's technology standards, disconnected, resulting in duplication of work and productivity. With SingleSTEP, redundant business processes are eliminated and the system frees up time for sponsorship staff to redirect their work to other important activities with children and communities. And how does SingleSTEP work and save time? Here is an exciting example of how adding a new child record has been simplified. Currently, there are 7 steps to complete the different tasks to register a child record in existing sponsorship systems. With SingleSTEP, it will only take about 1 day to register a child and add the data, photo and video, all at the same time. Most day-to-day sponsorship business processes will be much simpler, and frontline staff will see a reduction in workload associated with the following tasks: child monitoring and keeping child records current, recording how the child participates in program activities, processing of correspondence, including greeting cards and the annual progress report, processing of digital photos and the child greeting videos. The saved time will provide staff more opportunities to work with children and communities through activities, such as taking photos and videos that amplify child and community voice and enhance connections with sponsors. SingleSTEP is just one of the ways we're working to make child sponsorship a life-enriching experience for a new generation of children and supporters, their families, and communities, as well as our staff and volunteers.